Hey guys, I have you at the mill. I decided to disassemble it. I removed the head entirely from this head support, which is sliding on a dovetail here. See the dovetail there? And maybe you can see the ball screw. And where the head support is clamped here with a single screw, unfortunately, and that's a metric 8, which, metric 8 for 80 kilograms. I was thinking maybe I can use a metric 10 because I can drill that with a 8mm drill bit, and then do a metric 10 tapping, because 8mm is the minor diameter for metric 10. The challenge is on this side, actually on this side. I don't think the head of a metric 10 fits here, and since I don't have another milling machine, I don't know how to do this. Plus it interferes with this register, which goes on the back here, so probably I'll not be able to do that. We'll see. Anyway, so I have to take the column down from the machine. I have this gantry crane here, 4,000 pounds capacity. I'm gonna use that and some straps to put this down on the floor, and then disassemble the servo motor from here, from this plate, and leave the servo motor mounted and take the whole assembly out with the screw and everything, because I don't want to realign all that part. And then I loosen these bolts, take the column down, and then I have to take the base, make some room on this working table I'm using, and start scraping the dovetail. If you remember, we were not parallel on the dovetail here and here. These two surfaces are not parallel to one another. And then I'm gonna scrape this flat and parallel, and then check the dovetail and do the same for that to make sure that it slides up and down in a straight path. And then I'm gonna scrape this surface here. I have a small AA precision granite surface plate, 12 inches by 18 inches, which it's heavy, but I can still lift it up and use that to put it down and then scrape this surface. I'm not sure if I can scrape the bottom surface. We'll see. And then after I'm done with everything, mount the machine back, and then take the measurement alignment on the table with the head moving up and down, and then build that spacer in between. So then I have to take it, disassemble it again, do measurement, maybe do that a couple times. Quite a lot of work to keep disassembling everything and putting it back. So I'll have you back here after I have the base on my working table, and we'll look to see how much misalignment we have.